Welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, your go-to channel for the latest in bikes, trucks, and now, adventure-ready motorhomes. Today we're diving into something that's revving up excitement in the RV world, the all-new 2026 Dodge RAM Motorhome. If you're a traveler, road tripper, or just love rugged luxury, this beast could be your next dream ride. Design and exterior, bold meets functional. The 2026 Dodge RAM Motorhome takes the legendary toughness of the Ram 3500 chassis and blends it with sleek, modern motorhome design. With a widened body, high ground clearance, and aerodynamic front fascia, it's built to cut through air efficiently while still looking like a powerhouse on the road. Integrated LED light bars, a solar panel-equipped roof, and an optional rooftop deck scream off-grid capability. Interior: luxury living on wheels. Step inside, and you're met with a premium cabin that feels more like a high-end apartment than an RV. The 2026 Ram Motorhome features hardwood floors, leather seating, a touchscreen control panel, and ambient lighting throughout. The kitchen includes a smart induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a dual-door fridge. There's also a queen-size bed, a convertible lounge area, and a fully enclosed bathroom with a rainfall shower. Powertrain and performance: muscle underneath. Built on the proven Ram 3500 heavy-duty platform, the motorhome comes with two engine options, a 6.4L Hemi V8 for gas lovers, or a powerful 6.7L Cummins turbo diesel for torque-heavy towing. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional 4-air 4-drive, the 2026 Ram Motorhome isn't just about comfort, it's ready to tow toys or tackle dirt roads to remote campsites. Technology and connectivity: smart travel. Technology is front and center with an integrated smart control system. From one central screen or your smartphone, you can monitor power usage, tank levels, climate control, and security cameras. It also features Starlink-ready satellite internet, allowing high-speed connectivity even in the most remote locations. A built-in infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and has Amazon Alexa compatibility. Sustainability: travel greener. Dodge has added impressive sustainability features in the 2026 Ram Motorhome. Roof-mounted solar panels provide up to 800 W of off-grid power, backed by a lithium-ion battery bank and inverter system. High-efficiency insulation, low-flow plumbing fixtures, and smart HVAC systems mean you can stay out longer, waste less, and reduce your environmental impact. Final thoughts: worth the hype? The 2026 Dodge Ram Motorhome blends bold power with comfort, tech, and eco-conscious features, ideal for modern adventurers. Whether you're crossing the country or escaping for the weekend, this motorhome delivers on every front. It's a serious competitor in the luxury adventure RV segment and well worth a test drive. Outro: subscribe for more. Thanks for watching this detailed look at the 2026 Dodge Ram Motorhome here on Bike Updater Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest in rides that move you, whether on 2 wheels or 4.